friends, I am Shobha. Today I am going to start second aspect, learn and score question tag to all the exams. So coming to why do we use question tags? Question tags are different from question. Second, when do not know about something, we generally ask some question. Third, but we just add a tag to a statement when we use question tag. Fourth, question tag is used to make others agree with your opinion or statement. So, see the statement about, most importantly, a positive statement plus negative question tag. You are a student. The helping verb is nothing but are. That comes in a first. See here, you are. You comes last. You are comes first. One extra word, that is not. This is one example. Then second, a negative statement plus positive question tag. Mary is not a teacher. Mary is a woman. So, helping verb comes is first, then second, Mary or she comes next. Is she? Like this type. So, coming to this point, we to understand subject. Then next item, function, imperative sentence, tags. Suggestion here, let us go, let us move. If let us comes, then there must and should, shall we. Simple question, come with me, please, get some water, will you? Then next, urgent request, send the mail, call the police, catch the bus, pass the message. Won't you? Then next, impatient remarks, keep quiet, listen to me, be attentive. If this comes, then you must and should put, can't you? So next item here is when has, have or had a main verb. She has a cycle. Does not she? They have money, don't they? He had fever, did not he? Then in a special situation, first one, statements with words as neither, no, none, no one, nobody, nothing, hardly, hardly ever, rarely, seldom are considered negative and followed by positive tags. They invited nobody. Ed is there, so it is past tense. Did they? Nothing happened. Ed is there. Did it? John hardly ever studies. Does he? Then coming to special situation, part 2. If the subject of the sentence is anybody, anyone, everyone, everybody, someone, somebody, no one, nobody, none, neither. The pronoun in the tag is they. Nobody arrived, did they? Neither of them would complain, would they? Somebody entered the room, did they? Like this type. Then coming to the auxiliary verb be. If the statement is positive, the verb tag is negative and usually contracted. If the statement is negative, the verb in the tag is positive. He is reading. For example, is not he? He is not reading. Is he? Second one, the auxiliary verb in the tag matches the auxiliary verb. She can play chess, can't she? They were not working, were they? You have seen him, have not you? Then third one, if there is no auxiliary or be in the sentence, we use do not, does not, did not in the tag. You feel tired, don't you? He feels tired, does not he? They felt tired, did not they? Then coming to next, match the question tag with the sentences. Take one pencil or a pen, one single paper. Start writing these questions, framing the question tags and join them. Everything will be okay. Have some more dessert. I am talking too much. We don't much time. Somebody's moved the desk. That is the law. There is hardly any bread left. Let us make a fire. Do we? Is there? Shall we? Have not they? Is not it? Won't it? Aren't I? Won't you? Match the following A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H are there. So next question. Give me a ball. Open the window. Don't play now. Let us go now. It is the best book. They gave me book now. Gandhiji disliked gymnastics. Your friends are in the ground. Ravi is not clever. He walked fast. These are the most important questions in the examination. So before going to exam, prepare well, start writing now and solve the question tags first. Thank you.